Welcome to another Simple Dad iPhone tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to set multiple timers on your iPhone running iOS 17. So in iOS 17, the timer has been upgraded and you can now set multiple timers on it. So let me show you how to do this. So first you want to go ahead and open up your clock app. Here you want to go ahead and tap on timers at the bottom right. And once you're here, go ahead and tap on start. So this will now start the first timer, which is 2 minutes. To start the second timer, go ahead and tap on the plus sign here at the top right. Set your time, 15 minutes. Then tap on start. This will now start the second timer. And as you can see, you can differentiate between the two. The first one is 2 minutes. The second one is 15 minutes. I'll tap on the plus sign to set another timer. I can use the counter here to change my timer, or I can use some presets and start my third timer. And using the pause and the play button, I can pause or play the timer on the clock app. And there you go, that is how to set multiple timers on your iPhone running iOS 17. Now, if you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.